Today we talk about how can you enable receive news notifications on your Whoscall app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. So when you just click on settings, so then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to receive news notifications. So then you click here in this sign, like you see this color show for us, that's mean here receive news notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.